Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Natural Canadian Girl. Today I'm going to be attempting to do a temporary color. These are colors that I picked up from Sally's beauty store here in Canada. So I've sectioned my hair in 5 sections. I put it on gloves because I understand that this will actually stain your fingers. So the instruction says shake, 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 and actually you should be using it in an area that has a window. I'm actually in my studio at home, so no window. Right, so I'm applying to the first section. This is hair. This is a wash and go, fresh wash and go. I did air dried, so I'm actually doing it on clean hair with styler in. I'm actually looking behind me to see if the spray is actually messing up my backdrop, but it was okay. So doing it in each section. It's looking okay so far. Spraying on some more. So I'm just gonna keep spraying until I get the desired look. That's it for the first section. I pin that away and I do the other section. So pretty much that's it. It was easier than I expected. The smell is not that high, so I didn't have any problems with the smell. It did transfer a bit on my hands when I was actually picking out my fro, but otherwise I love it. I've always wanted to try red hair so to speak, and this is perfect for me because I don't think I'm going to be bleaching my hair again. So this is perfect. We'll see how it holds up during the week. I'm going to be doing a high puff and some other styles just to see how, when I manipulate my hair, how the strands hold up with the color. So that's pretty much it. I just go in and I pick. After picking, it's a bit wet, so I section my hair in 2 or 3, I think, and then just walk around the house. I was actually going on the road, so did some makeup, section it in 3, take the sections down, and fluff my hair again, which is what I'm about to do right here. So there was like 3 hours later. I was hoping to get more volume, so I did some banding and I'm picking, and that's pretty much it. I love it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please to leave a comment below if you have actually tried these colors, and I'll leave the name of the color in the description bar. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you've been sticking with me for a while, thank you so much for your support. Please to like, comment, and share this video. Until next time, take care. Bye.